Bitcoin recedes to $27,000 as Fed's master favors unabated tightening. Find Satoshi Labs rolls out AI tool that turns selfies into NFTs. Web3 payments firm Transact raises $20 million. Bybit announces exit from Canada. SBF could have some charges dropped to honor extradition. Hello and welcome to T-Rodo TV. I am Vishakha Thakur. Virtual digital assets or VDA markets plummeted on Wednesday as investors eye the outcome of a debt ceiling deal. Manoj Dhara joins us to tell us how the global cryptocurrency market is performing today. Thank you, Manoj, for your in-depth analysis of the global cryptocurrency market.
IC15 index of cryptocurrency was trading lower by 1.7% at 37,620 points. Over the weekend, US President Joe Biden and House Speaker Kevin McCarthy reached an agreement to suspend the debt ceiling until Jan 1st, 2025 and prevent the nation from defaulting on obligations as soon as June. This means the US Treasury would likely issue around $1 trillion worth of debt to replenish its Treasury general account. In another news, the UAE Central Bank has issued new anti-money laundering and counter-terrorism financing guidelines for the financial institutions when dealing with the virtual assets such as cryptocurrencies and NFTs, reports have suggested. So, meanwhile, traders have also revised their expectations for a more dovish monetary turn by the US Federal Reserve. The CME Fed Watch tool now shows a 66% probability that the Fed will raise interest rates by mere 25 basis points for the fourth consecutive time as it's in its June meeting. Going forward, investors will keep an eye on the JOLTS data scheduled later in the day. The data is anticipated to come around 9.5 million versus the previous month's market expectations of 9.6 million. That's what analysts have expected. Meanwhile, the Optimism protocol is set to unlock 9% of its native crypto OP's total supply. That's what the later in the day it's scheduled for. Data suggests that 386 million Optimism tokens worth approximately $587 million will be added to its circulation supply. Snake, a Cardano-based meme coin, has received a lot of attention from the crypto community, which has helped achieve its pinnacle. The Snake currency has become the 8th largest meme coin, rising more than 30% in the last 24 hours. In a separate development, Lena coin, an ERC20 token built on the Ethereum network, whose main purpose is as collateral for the liquids, recently rose more than 15% after Hong Kong announced that it is addressing its regulatory proposals for the centralized virtual currency exchanges. And in a separate development, stock futures were trading lower as investors keep an eye on the federal debt ceiling debate in Washington ahead of the final trading day of the May. Futures tied to the Dow Jones Industrial Average dipped 111 points or about 0.34%. S&P 500 futures slid 0.28% and Nasdaq 100 futures were trading lower by 0.25%. Bitcoin was trading at $27,100, down by 3%. Ethereum, the second largest crypto, was down by 2.1%, trading at $1,867. Other altcoins on my left, such as BNB, was trading lower by 2% at $307. Next on the list was Solana Sol, was down by 0.8%, trading at $20.7. Next was Cardano's ADA token, trading lower by 1.8% at $0.37. Keep an eye on this news. According to the data from Sentiment, Cardano, the blockchain platform powered by the ADA coin, has made considerable progress and has outperformed Ethereum in the recent crypto development activities. Next on the list was Avalanche AVAX, was trading at $14.1, lower by 3.6%. Next was Polygon Matic, trading down by 2.6% at $0.88. Doge, the popular meme coin, was also trading lower by 2% at $0.071. Next was Shiba Inu, trading down by 2.8%. Polkadot was next on the list, trading lower by 3.5% at $5.4. However, Ripple's XRP token was trading at $0.50, up by 1.1%.
Thank you, Manoj, for your in-depth analysis of the global cryptocurrency market. And now back to the headlines. Find Satoshi Lab, the parent company behind popular Web3 game StepN, is rolling out an artificial intelligence-powered non-fungible token generator called GNT-V3. The tool aims to place creativity within the technological intersections of AI and Web3. Working in collaboration with MOOAR FSL's recently released NFT marketplace, GNT-V3 takes a user's selfie as input to create AI-generated images that are minted on the Solana blockchain. Yon Rong, co-founder of FSL, said in a press release that GNT-V3 has the capability to redefine digital identity in Web3. Last month, FSL released GNT-V1, which allowed artists to mint individual NFTs on the Moar marketplace. Later in April, it rolled out GNT-V2, which improved its AI model. Web3 payment startup Transact has raised $20 million in a Series A funding round led by early-stage venture capital firm CE Innovation Capital. The new capital will be used towards a continued global expansion and to help build out other onboarding solutions, including those for Web3 games and financial applications. A Web3 platform can embed Transact's payment and onboarding infrastructure to make it easier for users to buy and sell crypto assets in a way that could feel more natural for Web2 users, said the company. Transact is registered as a crypto asset firm with the UK's Financial Conduct Authority and is recognized as a virtual asset service provider in Poland. Crypto exchange Bybit has announced its decision to pause its Canadian operation, citing recent regulatory changes. The platform is the latest in a string of crypto firms to pull out of the country following similar moves from Binance earlier this month and OKX in March. Canada has cracked down on the crypto sector in recent months, introducing a pre-registration process and banning leverage trading. Bybit's existing Canadian users will no longer be able to make new deposits or enter new contracts on the platform from July 31st, though they will still be able to withdraw funds, the company said. Bybit will also no longer accept any new registrations from Canadian residents and nationals. Prosecutors in Sam Bankman-Fried's criminal trial cast cold water on the FTX founder's attempt to have several charges dismissed, but they acknowledged in court documents filed Monday that some could be dropped if the Bahamas objects. Earlier this month, Bankman-Fried's counsel moved to have 10 of 13 charges in the high-profile case tossed out. His lawyers claimed that several charges had legal shortcomings or were too ambiguous and that others violated the extradition process between the United States and the Bahamas. Bankman-Fried was originally charged with 8 criminal counts last December following the collapse of FTX, which included wire fraud and money laundering. Additional charges were brought against him in February related to allegedly illicit campaign donations and in March for allegedly bribing Chinese officials. His criminal trial is currently set to begin in October. And now let's go to Shikha Singh to get an update on buzzing stocks of the day.
According to data supplied by Sentiment, a cryptocurrency analytics service, Cardano, the blockchain platform powered by the ADA coin, has made considerable progress in the development activity. The data points to the frequency of GitHub commits as an indicator of active development across various crypto platforms. Kusama and Polkadot are the 2 blockchain platforms that lead the field in this rating. Their presence at the top of the ranking demonstrates considerable development activity and the commitment of their separate teams to continual improvement. Although Cardano trails these platforms in 3rd place, it is crucial to note that Cardano's position above Ethereum, a long-standing leader in the crypto field, is an accomplishment in and of itself. ADA was trading at $0.3, down 1.52% in the last 24 hours, with a market capitalization of $13 billion. According to the SNEK website, the new meme token SNEK project aspires to create an inclusive and sustainable community on the Cardano blockchain and to give token holders with a rewarding experience. Furthermore, there is no roadmap on the website. SNEK, a Cardano-based meme coin, has received a lot of attention from the crypto community, which has helped it achieve its pinnacle. SNEK entered the cryptocurrency market on May 15th and has been significant increase in interest and price as it competes with DogeCoin and Shiba Inu, despite the fact that it is still in its 1st month. Every day, the meme coin reaches an all-time new high. According to its official release, the SNEK currency has become the 8th largest meme coin. While ADA is still trading down today, Cardano's meme coin SNEK is trading 32% up in the last 24 hours and was trading 257% up in the last week. SUI intends to release 61 million SUI on June 4th, boosting the total amount of tokens in circulation by 13%. Furthermore, token distribution to early contributors and developers Miston Labs will commence in November 2023, with the token distribution to early contributors and developer Miston Labs beginning in November 2023. As a result, the present 555 million SUI distribution volume is predicted to triple to 2.18 billion SUI. However, according to Scimitar Capital analyst Alex, part of the SUI tokens issued to early donors would be released as airdrops to regular users, while some will be paid to the SUI Foundation. With a market capitalization of $5 million, SUI was trading at $0.9, down 6.91% in the last 24 hours.
Well, that's all in today's special bulletin. This is me, Vishakha Thakur, signing off. For more on such updates and market news, please log on to our website www.3versetv.io or scan the QR code.